So today's tip of the day is never ever overtrade. What I mean by that is sometimes when you have a series of one or two profits your way, you get very confident in your approach of trading. You feel like, okay, you found the holy grail. And that's when you can expect a loss coming. And the loss would actually be bigger than the last two profits you've made, because that's the amount of confidence that you have in you, is that you've cracked the system. But the truth is, no one has ever cracked the system. You've probably can increase your probability of success, but you can never crack the system. So never get that in your head that you can crack the system and you've got the cheat code to success. So the important thing to keep in mind is never overtrade. If you're trading, trade small pieces, like, try to maintain a long winning streak. So they say the average winning streak should be around 7 trades, but if it's 7 trades, try increasing it to 21 trades. Even if it's a small profit, even if you make $10 is something that's considered substantial for you. Use that and keep increasing your winning streak. And some people call it the batting average. Like, keep increasing the average number of profits, the average number of gains you've got. And that will help you build more confidence. And keeping that numbers in mind will let you or prevent you from making irrational decisions. So hope that was helpful for you. To summarize, never overtrade. Keep your emotions in check while getting that extra boost of confidence, and use that for other areas. It'll boost your mood through the day. It'll help you feel confident in finding good stocks. So use that and in other approaches, in other avenues in your life. But don't take that out of the market, because it may come and bite you very soon. So stay tuned for another video, and hope this was helpful for you. Stay tuned.